Today's Clean With Me video is just a little bit different than some of the others. My house doesn't get very messy with clutter and things lying around very often, but it does get dirty. So even though it looks clean, as you can see from these clips, it does actually get dirty. So there's dust and things that need to be cleaned up, food on the table, dog slobber on the floor, and a little dog hair here and there. Actually, a lot of dog hair here and there. So today's video is just a Clean With Me, showing you how dirty my house is, even though it looks clean.
Flying on the chemicals, guess I'm not the lucky type.
I filmed this video last weekend, but the day I'm posting it, which is Sunday, July 26th, is my birthday. So wish me a happy birthday, click like, and if you haven't subscribed, that would be an awesome birthday present. I got this chair cover from Amazon, and it came with these little flimsy styrofoam things that you shove in the cracks to keep the chair cover on securely. But I went to Dollar Tree and I cut up a pool noodle to use that instead, and it has worked absolutely fantastic. I've been doing a really good job of keeping up with these bookshelves and making sure that they get dusted every week. But what I have not dusted every week are the blinds, the windowsill, and the top of this TV armoire here. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. Changing out the Swiffer and turning off the ceiling fan because that's pretty disgusting too. While I'm waiting for the ceiling blades to stop spinning, I'm going to put away the few things that are on the counter here, make another cup of coffee, and finish some dishes. The Italian sweet cream is my absolute favorite coffee creamer. Once I tried it, I could never switch back to anything else. I try to sanitize and disinfect my counters at least once every single day. I usually do it in the morning when I make my first cup of coffee. I just move everything on the counter and I either wipe it with my e-cloth like you see here, or I'll use a Clorox wipe. But today I'm using an e-cloth because I'm going to clean the refrigerator and all of my stainless steel appliances. When I wiped the cabinet over the door where my garbage is kept, there was a little piece of food stuck on there, and as I wiped it, it flaked off the paint. So add that to my list of projects. Here's another example of something that doesn't necessarily look dirty, but when you get a little bit closer, you can see it's actually filthy. And look, there's an earring back. Now, I'm actually terrified of heights, so standing up here, my heart is pounding and I'm like so careful that I don't take a step because I'm afraid I'm gonna fall. So even while I'm standing here, you can see my feet are barely moving because I don't want to move forward or back because I'm afraid I'm gonna fall. You can see me grab my heart here as I step down, so thankful that I'm not standing up there anymore. Decided to be a little extra today, so when I switched out my paper towel roll, I stamped it with my kitchen faucet. look at how dirty this ceiling fan is. This ceiling fan is on all the time. It's very seldom ever turned off, so I don't notice how dirty it is unless I turn it off. But today, since I'm cleaning all of the things that you don't normally notice are dirty, I thought it would be a good opportunity to get this cleaned as well.
Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head, 'cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into in this gamble. Pull me towards you.
I do have a little ladder here that I'm standing on, but I can't stand on the top step because I'm scared to. That would make it a little bit easier for me to reach the fan blades, but I can't stand all the way up there, so I'm standing on the second to the last and then reaching with my vacuum to clean each one of the fan blades.
Everything, 'cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything.
When Snoop was a puppy, well, he's still a puppy, he's only one, but when he was a little puppy, I used to play with him with the vacuum, so now when I vacuum with this vacuum cleaner, he doesn't do it with the other one, but with this vacuum cleaner, he always thinks I'm playing with him. So I do play with him for a few seconds, but then as soon as I tell him to stop, he stops. But it's just too cute to resist.
Try to talk about what's on our mind.
This little cabinet here is actually a computer armoire type thing, but I don't use it for my computer anymore. I use it to hold all of my alcohol and glasses and things like that. So it's sort of like a little bar cabinet now. And then the bottom I have some picture frames and decorations that I'm not using.
Sometimes I just wish we knew, hey, how to call up without losing. But I drive, baby, just so I can make it through the night. Yeah, I will drive, so we can try to make it simple. Try to talk about what's on our mind.
I got a new Shark vacuum last week, and I still kind of prefer this Dyson for doing my hardwood floors and then the floor in the living room because it's very low pile. Also because it's so easy to swap out the attachments, I can go from vacuuming the floor here to cleaning my ceiling fan in just a few seconds. And then I also use it, of course, to vacuum my chair and my couch pretty much every day as well. If you guys remember or saw my video a few weeks ago, you heard me talk about my cat Bella, who passed away suddenly. The vet that I took her to before we put her to sleep, they made this little paw print just on a 3x5 little cardstock piece of paper, but I thought it was so sweet and I framed it and put it here with a picture of my other cat. Starting with an empty vacuum here, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like after vacuuming just one cushion on my couch. This is why I have to do it so frequently. The dogs don't actually, or they're not supposed to, lay or sleep on the couch. They do lay on the blanket that I keep on the end of the couch, but just one single cushion gets that much dust and hair from the animals not sleeping on the couch.
To laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized.
I used to think that the Swiffer was the best mop. That's a lie. It's not. Anybody that tells you Swiffer is a good mop is not really mopping their floors very well. This mop, the O-Cedar Spin Mop, is the absolute positive, hands down, best mop in the world. But seriously, if you're looking for a good mop, get this mop.
Had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you.
When I just went down the hall to mop, I saw the table and remembered that I forgot to dust the table. So now that I've run my finger across it to show you how dirty it is, I have to go back and clean the table. And then when I went to go get my cloth to clean the table, I remembered I forgot to clean these windows.
So your tears been running like a waterfall. Thought the stars.
And they're only going to stay this clean for about 30 seconds until one of the dogs wants to come in or go out again.
But that's love. That's just love. You should know some things will hurt, and you'll end up getting burned. I just hope that you will learn.
No Clean With Me video is complete until you get a good sink cleaning. So here I'm going to use Barkeeper's Friend to clean my sink and make it nice and sparkling.
Down on you, you have to move on. Deal with your broken heart, no matter what you think you'll never.
Once a week I switch out my sponge, so when I'm finished cleaning the sink I throw it away and get a new one. And this is the coconut scouring pad from Grove Collaborative.
Every time you feel the walls are closing in, and it seems like nothing makes it better, you should try to remember that's just how it is.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. Here's one last look at my clean house while it's actually clean. Don't forget to wish me a happy birthday in the comments. Click like and subscribe.
Sometimes it can be beautiful. That's just love. That's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down get enough of love.
Hope you guys are having a great weekend. I'll see you in my next video.
You have to move on. Deal with your broken heart.